Hello guys, and here today I'll be showing you how to turn on Team Create on Roblox Studio. So I've brought my friend with me, Matas. Say hello.
Hi.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, click game settings and then click publish.
Also, before we do anything, subscribe right now, or else when you go to your bathroom tonight, there'll be a rock there placed in the perfect position. You just go to the toilet and then you just stub your toe and you will never walk again.
Exactly. So I wouldn't risk it. Anyways, back to this. So once you've clicked in game settings, then you want to publish your game. So here you could just do your name of your game. So for instance, you could do anything, and then I'm just gonna call this video team test. Makes a lot of sense. And then once you've done that, then you could choose who it's made by, and then genre, and then you could choose whatever platform you want it to be on. So then you click create. Once you've clicked and create, then you want to go on to view, and then team create, and then turn on. So now just wait for the game to load, and there we go. And once you've got that, then as you can see, a long time ago there would be a button here called add player or add friend, but that they've moved it, so we could click that X, and then we could go to game settings, and then permissions, and then we could go down here, and then we could search by username, and we could do search up your friend's name. So my friend is PuggyCrusher253. Shout out to him right here. And then edit, boom, and then save. So now, if he goes onto Roblox Studio and then looks at shared with me, so then he should see like this game. So yep, as you can see, and he's loaded in, and now you could create anything you want. For instance, a part right here.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped, and see you guys in the next episode. And by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Or else you'll stub your toe.
Yeah, on this massive part. So yeah, goodbye.